All right, I have to admit, when I first think of HiSense, I don't think of smartphones, but HiSense brought a couple of phones out, and I was actually pretty impressed with the hardware. Software, it's okay. It's nothing we've never seen before. Kind of reminds you of the Huawei skins, but and all the phones out there that have this layout. But some of these phones have like 720p displays, some have 1080p. But this F26 was actually pretty good. And then the H11 Infinity, that one was actually a little bit better. They all felt really, really premium. But you know, I think if they were going to bring these phones to the U.S., they would probably sell them for sub $200, under 200 at the most. They did. This phone looks just like an iPhone 8, by the way. But they did bring a phone with a dual screen. I'll show it to you here now. Real briefly, the A2. It has an e-ink on the back and then a regular screen on the front. So Hisense tried to do something, and I appreciate their efforts. Very nice people. Nice company, too. So it's your man, Jay Will. Stay tuned for more coverage from CES. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.